दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजम् शं नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
The Mahabharata, one of the greatest epics of ancient India, is set against the backdrop of the Dwapara Yuga, the third of the four ages in the Hindu cosmology. The epic encapsulates the complexities of life in Dwapara Yuga, exploring the struggle between dharma and adharma, serving as a timeless reflection on the human condition. The Mahabharata centers on two prominent families, the Pandavas and the Kauravas. Central to the Mahabharata are the teachings of Lord Krishna, whose discourse in the Bhagavad Gita imparts profound insights on duty, righteousness, and the path to inner peace. His guidance resonates through the narrative, offering valuable lessons for us all. The students of grades 5 and 6 will take you on a vivid journey through this epic saga. May these stories and teachings inspire you to reflect on the values of duty, justice, and compassion, and appreciate the strength and sacrifices of all the characters.
जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तई तई तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तई तई तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तई तई तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक तान गावे तक तल तै तै तान गावे तक तल तै तै तान गावे तक तल तै 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 तक तना धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम हद तो मत गीत धुनि कुतक धीम. पदुमनाभ तुम्हारी लीला पदुमनाभ तुम्हारी लीला क्या कहो मैं सावरो ताप संकट शरणायो सो हमारो तुम हरो ताप संकट शरणायो सो हमारो तुम हरो तदीम तदीम तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीम तदीम तिरना तदीम तदीम तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीम तदीम तिरना तानि तोम तद गत नरि तान गर तान धीम अलरि गलरि तद गता तार तद गमाम तानि तद गताम तार दीम 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 तकतन अलरि तोम 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 तकतन तनि अलरि गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी तानि तै तै तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी तानि तै तै तुम फिर तुम गानि तै तै तुम फिर तुम गानि तै तै तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम निकुतक धीम निकुतक धीम.
During one of his hunts, King Shantanu was captivated by the beauty of a fisherwoman named Satyavati. Satyavati was the adopted daughter of the chief of the fisherman community. Enamored by her beauty and grace, Shantanu desired to marry her. However, Satyavati's father laid down a stringent condition. Her son should inherit the throne of Hastinapura. This posed a significant dilemma for Shantanu, as he already had a son, Devavrata, born from his first queen, Ganga. Devavrata was a paragon of virtue and the rightful heir to the throne in the epic Mahabharata, shaping the lineage and setting the stage for the subsequent events of the epic. Their marriage had far-reaching implications in the history of the Kuru dynasty. We now present to you a dance celebrating the wedlock of King Shantanu and Queen Satyavati.
परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हाय हय्यू हाय हाय आशानी किरणों बिखराए उमंग भी छलका है मन हड़वे थी गुनगुनाए हाय 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 हाय
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हय्यू हाय हाय रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हय्यू हाय 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 हाय
हाँ मजा है जिंदगी नशा है जिंदगी धीरे धीरे चढ़ेगी हाँ दुआ दे जिंदगी बता दे जिंदगी बात अपनी बनेगी हाँ ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है शहनाई 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 रंग लो मरना ए भाई भाई हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई
रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी
In the timeless epic of the Mahabharata, the relationship between King Shantanu and the river goddess Ganga unfolds as a narrative imbued with divine mystery, profound love, and cosmic destiny. Shantanu, a king of noble lineage and esteemed virtues, encounters Ganga in her earthly form by the banks of the sacred river Ganges. Struck by her ethereal beauty and serene presence, he is captivated not merely by her physical allure, but by her inexplicable, almost divine attraction. The union of Devi Ganga and King Shantanu bridges the realms of mortals and deities, serving as a pivotal prologue to the grand saga of the Kuru dynasty, the epic's intricate weave of fate, duty, and moral dilemmas.
Bhishma, one of the most venerable and complex characters in the Indian epic, the Mahabharata, stands as a paragon of loyalty, duty, and sacrifice. His life and actions significantly shaped the fate of the Kuru dynasty, acting as a moral and protective pillar in times of peace and conflict. Originally named Devavrata, Bhishma was a son of King Shantanu and Ganga. His early life was marked by exceptional education and valor, making him a formidable warrior and a learned statesman. However, the turning point came with a fateful vow he took to ensure his father's happiness. When King Shantanu fell in love with Satyavati, the daughter of a fisherman, her father insisted that her children inherit the throne. To resolve the succession issue and secure his father's wishes, Bhishma vowed never to marry or have children, thus renouncing his claim to the throne. This vow, known as the Bhishma Pratigya, became the bedrock of his identity and his ultimate sacrifice for the greater good of his lineage.
కలిసారంటే వీడు హే మాటలు వాడడు మౌనమే తేలుడు ఎక్కడికక్కడ లెక్కలు తేలుస్తాడు జనమే నేను నేనే జనమంటాడు రక్తం రంగే రక్షాగుణమంటాడు ఊపిరి మొత్తం ఉద్యమ రంగంలా దౌర్జన్యాన్ని నిర్జించేలా గర్జిస్తున్నాడు సర్వసమర్థుడు చీకటి చీల్చే గువేరా వీడు శక్తి సముద్రుడు శత్రు దుర్భేద్యుడు కన్నై పేలే కాంతి తత్వం వీడు కదిలే చట్టం నడిచే న్యాయం వీడు వెలుతురు కన్నా వేగంగా వస్తాడు నాయకుడైనా సేవకుడై వీడు కష్టం తుడిచే చూపుడు వేలై చరితలు రాస్తాడు
Dronacharya, a pivotal character in the Mahabharata, is renowned for his exceptional skills in archery and warfare, and as the revered teacher of the Kuru princes, including the Pandavas and the Kauravas. Dronacharya, born to sage Bharadwaja, was blessed with divine knowledge and martial skills. Trained under the great warrior sage Parashurama, Drona mastered the art of warfare and weaponry. His reputation spread far and wide, reaching the grand courts of Hastinapura, where he took on the monumental task of training the Kuru princes. He imparted the art of warfare and statecraft to them. The episode of the shooting of the bird's eye in the Mahabharata highlights Drona's role as a mentor, imparting crucial lessons of focus and dedication to Arjuna and his other disciples. Drona's esteemed teachings shaped the destinies of the Kauravas and the Pandavas, forging them into formidable warriors. During the Kurukshetra war, Dronacharya was appointed as the commander-in-chief of the Kaurava forces. His strategies and combat skills were formidable, making him a crucial player in the war.
ശമസൂര്യശോഭയിൽ തെളിയുന്ന ദ്രോണ നക്ഷത്ര കോടികൾ കഥിപനാം ദ്രോണ ഉദയത്തിലോംകാര ശംഖമാം ദ്രോണ ശരമാരിയാൽ ശിവനെ അർച്ചിച്ച ദ്രോണ
ശമസൂര്യശോഭയിൽ തെളിയുന്ന ദ്രോണ നക്ഷത്ര കോടികൾ കഥിപനാം ദ്രോണ ഉദയത്തിലോംകാര ശംഖമാം ദ്രോണ ശരമാരിയാൽ ശിവനെ അർച്ചിച്ച ദ്രോണ
വാസ്തുവിൻ വസ്തുതകളറിയുന്ന ദ്രോണ വാസ്തവം ഹൃദയത്തിലറിയുന്ന ദ്രോണ സമസൃഷ്ടിയോടെന്നും അലിവുള്ള ദ്രോണ സാമവേദാദികൾ കുറവിടം ദ്രോണ
Ekalavya, a tribal prince from the Mahabharata, presents a poignant tale of devotion and dedication. His story exemplifies the pursuit of excellence and respect for one's guru. Despite being denied formal training by the great teacher Drona due to his lower social status, Ekalavya practiced archery in isolation with immense commitment. His relentless effort enabled him to become an exceptional archer, demonstrating how dedication can lead to remarkable achievements. Through his actions, Ekalavya also honored his guru, showcasing the profound cultural value of respecting one's teacher even without direct guidance. One day, Dronacharya and his students came across Ekalavya's impressive archery skills. While deeply impressed, Dronacharya was concerned that Ekalavya might surpass Arjuna, his star pupil. To address this, he requested a Guru Dakshina from Ekalavya, a prize for his teachings. Dronacharya demanded Ekalavya's right thumb, knowing that its removal would significantly impair his prowess in archery. Without hesitation, Ekalavya cut off his right thumb and offered it to Dronacharya, demonstrating his unwavering devotion and respect for his guru.
If the Mahabharata is a grand play of time, then who other than Krishna could be the Sutradhara of the play? Krishna is not merely a participant in the Mahabharata. He is the divine orchestrator who subtly guides the events leading to the fulfillment of dharma. Throughout the epic, Krishna plays an important role in influencing key decisions and actions of the characters, ensuring that the cosmic balance is maintained. Krishna serves as the moral compass for the Pandavas, especially for Arjuna during critical moments such as the one on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. An avatar of Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, Krishna is the embodiment of divine will in the Mahabharata. His role is crucial in ensuring that the epic's narrative leads to the ultimate triumph of dharma, making him not just a participant, but the divine orchestrator of the grand cosmic drama. Our students will now take you through a mesmerizing performance that underscores the charm and divinity of the all-knowing Krishna.
అలరే అలా ఆయనందలాల అందరూ చూడండయ్యా చూపిస్తాడు ఏదో లీలా అలరే అలా ఆయనందలాల ఆడలా ఇలేసాడు కోలాటాల గోలా గోలా
ఓ దూరంగా రంగా దొంగ దాకో కొయ్యాలా వచ్చి నువ్వు మాతో సిందయ్యాలా మందిరం కట్టిందయ్యా భూమి నీకి వేళ మంచి చెయ్యాలో చాలా చాలా ఎవడో ఏలా ఇది నీ నేల నువ్వు చేసే ప్రతి మంచి ఎదురయ్యగరేయదా హో బజే ఆటోలు బజే బజే ఆటోలు బజే 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 ఆటోలు బజే బజే ఆటోలు బజే ఓ దూరంగా రంగా దొంగ నాకు కొయ్యాలా వచ్చి నువ్వు మాతో సిందెయ్యాలా రామకే లొంగేటోడు బాధేం తీరుస్తాడు ప్రేమకే పొంగాడంటే ప్రాణం బదులిస్తాడు అవుల్నే తోలేటోడు నిన్నేం పాలిస్తాడు యుద్ధంలో రథం తోలి నీతిని గెలిపించాడు నల్లని రంగున్నోడు తెల్లని మనసున్నోడు అల్లరి పేరున్నోడు అందరికీ అయినోడు మీ పిచ్చి ఎన్నాళ్ళో అన్నేళ్ళు అన్నేళ్ళు నీలోనే ఒకడై ఉంటాడు బజే బాజే ఆటోలు బజే బాజే ఆటోలు బజే బజే బాజే ఆటోలు బజే బాజే ఆటోలు బజే
In the heart of Hastinapura's grand arena, a dramatic turn of events unfolded during a dazzling martial exhibition showcasing the prowess of the Kuru princes. Karna emerged as a formidable challenger. Despite being of humble origins, Karna's extraordinary skills and unwavering determination made him stand out. When Karna boldly stepped forward to challenge Arjuna, he defied the norms of status and birthright. The crowd buzzed with skepticism until Duryodhana, with a bold and decisive gesture, crowned Karna as a king of Anga. This spectacular act not only elevated Karna, but cemented an unbreakable bond between them. In the Mahabharata, this moment is a powerful testimonial to the transformative nature of true friendship. Their bond, forged in mutual respect and support, would become a crucial element in the epic's central conflict, highlighting the power of loyalty and the significance of alliances in shaping destinies. Inspired by this legendary bond, students are performing a dance that vividly captures the essence of Karna and Duryodhana's remarkable friendship.
विजयी भव दिग्विजयी भव। ಇತಿಹಾಸವೇ ನಿತ್ಯರಚಿಸುತ್ತ ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿರೋ ಮೈಲಿಗಲ್ಲು ಉದ್ದಗಲಕ್ಕೂ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡು ರಾರಾಯ ಭಾರಿ ಭೈರವಿ ರಣಗಲ್ಲು ಧಿಕ್ಕರಿಸಿದ ರಾಮ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಾಣದೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕರಿಸುವನಿವನೆಲ್ಲು ಬದಲಾಗಿಸುವ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖಪುಟದ ಮುನ್ನುಡಿ ಗೆತ್ತುವನೆಲ್ಲು ಬಡವರ ಬದುಕಲು ಕಾಯಲು ನಿಂತ ಸಿಂಹ ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾ
ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಮರೆಯುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೂರ್ಯಪುತ್ರ ವಯಕರ್ತನ ಕರ್ಣ.
सार्वभौम सुयोधन, ये कर्ण अपने रक्त की हर बूंद आपके यश की रक्षा में, आपके सार्वभौमत्व की रक्षा में न्यौछावर कर देगा। इन सभी सामंत पंडितों के सामने, समस्त प्रजा के सम्मुख ये कर्ण वचन देता है।
मित्र, अप्रतिम वीर कर्ण के नाम केवल अंगराज्य का सिंहासन ही नहीं, सुयोधन हृदय सिंहासन देकर मित्रता स्वीकारता।
The Mahabharata is often seen as a metaphor for life, with its complex web of relationships, moral challenges, and the battle between good and evil. The Gita's emphasis on selfless action, devotion, and wisdom provides a framework for navigating the complexities of the Kali Yuga. The Mahabharata, in this sense, is not just a tale of moral decline, but also a story of hope and eventual restoration of order and righteousness.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु